No, just why? Why is it bothering Baba Girl? Hello, I'm here at the Miss Briggs spot. Nandyan ba siya? Hello, What do you mean? Nandyan ba si mama ko? Please lang po ha, please lang po. Huwag kang mahiya. Usap tayo bukas ulit ha. Di ba sasabi ko mamaya umuwi? Meron ako ipapakita ng picture sa'yo. Wait lang kasi ang galing naman pero kayo kumakain. May stock naman yung okay. Gusto ko Honeybee! Nag-nod pa rin ako. Let's make it on now. Hello. Let's make it on now. Hello. Let's make it on now. Hello. Well, kasama na po. Hi guys, making some hello. Oh my goodness, ow! Anyways, continue. Wala na ako napili sini sing dahil. Hello. If you get too far, it will break. What the freak was happening, Hello. My McDonald's mic is on because I don't know why, because I... Hello.